Hola a todos, bienvenidos. ¿Cómo estáis? Estoy muy bien. Hi, welcome to everyone. How are you? I am very fine. Dear viewers, I am Muhammad Abdul Razak and today I am going to teach you 5 most important adverbs that are very much common in our daily conversation. So dear viewers, let's get started. Dear viewers, already I have written a caption on my whiteboard, some important adverb in Spanish. Since we have a well intention to learn Spanish language, that's why we have to learn many words every day and we have to practice with the word. Dear viewers, número uno es finalmente. ¿Qué significa finalmente? I think already you can guess what is the meaning of finalmente. Finalmente means finally. Finally. Very easy to pronounce and very easy to memorize. Finalmente, finally, finalmente. Finally. Número dos, antiguamente. Antiguamente. The spelling is A-N-T-E. It is E. In English it is I, but in Spanish it is E. E, G, U, A, M, E, N, T, E. Antiguamente. Antiguamente means formally. Formally. Antiguamente. Formally. Antiguamente means formally. Número 3 es exactamente. Exactamente means exactly. Exactamente means exactly. So exactamente. Exactly. Very easy to pronounce and very easy to memorize. It seems that these adverbs are very last, but it is not very difficult to pronounce or to memorize. Finalmente, antiguamente, exactamente, these are very easy to pronounce. Dear viewers, número 4, en primer lugar. En primer lugar means first of all. First of all, it is very much common in our smart conversation. First of all, we can start with this adverb. First of all, en todas partes. ¿Qué significa en todas partes? What is the meaning of en todas partes? En todas partes means everywhere. Everywhere. En todas partes. Everywhere. So dear viewers, I am repeating from the first. Número uno es finalmente. Número uno es finalmente. Finalmente means finally. Número 2, antiguamente. Antiguamente. Antiguamente means formerly. Número 3, exactamente. Exactamente means exactly. Número 4, en primer lugar. En primer lugar means first of all. And número 5 es en todas partes. En todas partes means everywhere. Número 5 es en todas partes. En todas partes means everywhere. Dear viewers, tenemos que aprender algunas palabras todos los días y tenemos que practicar todos los días. De lo contrario, no podemos hablar español con fluidez. Dear viewers, every day we have to learn some words and we have to practice with the word. Otherwise, we will not be able to become a fluent speaker in Spanish. Now, dear viewers, since we want to learn Spanish language, so we have to memorize some words and we have to practice with the word. It's the common method of becoming a fluent speaker of your targeting language. So, dear viewers, today we have learned 5 most important adverbs that are very much common in different conversation. So, dear viewers, if you think that you are benefited by watching this video, please like my video and subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends so that they can get opportunity to watch this video and learn these important adverbs. So, dear viewers, if you want to know anything, please make a comments below, and if I do any mistake, please make a comments below to recall me. So dear viewers, no more today, with best regards to you and to your parents. I'll be back soon with another video. So stay well, keep learning. Hasta pronto, adios.